Alright, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to open the latest Glossybox. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So for those of you who don't know, Glossybox is a monthly subscription. So if you love hygiene products, then this is definitely the one video that you'll want to check out. If you like to see like new products, new hygiene, especially those of us who love hygiene products, this is definitely one you want to check out. And of course, they definitely have a discounted coupon code, so definitely check out the information in the description box below so you guys can check that out. So I love the fact that each of these boxes, you will see, these are like little boxes that you can actually keep after you check out what is in the box, because it comes like this every month. And then they have like a ribbon and a little magazine that tells you more information about the products that are inside. So we get a sneak peek. You guys get that sneak peek? If you had a pause, go back, go ahead and double check. But basically everything is in this box here. And I love the fact that they tell you in the magazine, in the little booklet, that if it's a full-size version or how much the full-size version would be, or if it's a deluxe size version as well. All right, so let me take a look here and see. And if you haven't, definitely go check out my video. I did an advent calendar that Glossybox has. That thing was so many products. So that definitely has me covered for a while now. All right, so this is how it looks inside. So they always have a tissue box and a ribbon. So for me, I love it because it seems like a little gift personalized for you. And then let me see. And then this is everything that is in the box. So let us take a look. We'll leave the biggest one for last. So let me just take a look and see what is the very first one. All right, so the very first thing we have here is from a company called OneKind. I've used OneKind products for a while now. I think they're like a sleeper business, a sleeper company. This is a vegan and cruelty-free item here. Now this here, it says it's a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. So this is a deluxe mini worth $12, but if you have the full-size version of it, that's actually $38. So this is here, and it says this supercharged night cream gets you up and glowing by the AM, rich in squalene and rosehip oils. So that is that. Let me see if it is, it has a safety seal, which is good. So let me see if we can take that little safety seal out. So give me a second here. And if you see me look away a lot, my dog is outside, so sometimes he like things trigger him, squirrels and stuff. So I'm like, what is he doing? Because he's actually doing that right now. Let me see. Okay, that's what that looks like there. So just a regular plain nighttime moisturizer. Has a clean scent to it, so not scented at all. Usually with vegan and cruelty free, really they usually have like an earthy or clean tone to them. This one is the same. It's just a light earthy tone to it, or scent to it. All right, so the next thing we have here, and if you've watched any of the Shop With Me's, you guys have probably seen this product in one of my Shop With Me's, I'm sure. So this is from Hava, and this is actually Superfood Kale Tumeric Body Lotion. So if you see that in any of my Shop With Me's, definitely point that out. I don't think I've seen this specific one, but this is a deluxe mini worth $5. But if you got the full-size version of it, it actually is $31. It says this light yet hydrating body lotion is powered with superfoods, kale and turmeric. Known for their natural antioxidants, they help protect from premature signs of aging, so your skin will feel smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. So that is that. And yes, this box is actually the one for this month, but stay tuned because there is another box coming out. This one was a little late, which is totally fine. Now this is actually from Josephine, and let me take a look here. What is it? What is it? What are you? Oh, okay, so this is gonna be a lip power, the Bold Matte Liquid Lipstick. So let me take a look here. And this is actually $30. All right, so we have a bougie And look at the casing on that. That looks very bougie, very nice. And it has their little brand name there. Oh, don't pull it out. You're gonna twist it, guys. I was just demonstrating how to get that done. Okay, so this is here. This is a pretty, pretty color. All right, so let me just show you this really quick first. So it has like a Dove foot applicator so that you guys can see. And then this is the color of this matte lipstick there. So that is a pretty, pretty color. All right, so let me see what else we have. Okay, so this is from Popmask. This is Starry Eyes Self-Warming Eye Mask. All right, I've never seen anything like that before. Let me see. There's one more item in the box and I was like, I don't think I have it, but I do. All right, so this right here is actually a single. This is a single. They can come in a 5-pack also, but this is a single, so this is worth $4. This is Popmask Starry Eyes. If you're having trouble getting your beauty sleep or just want to feel extra relaxed, this could be the perfect solution. So yes, this is it. And I'm not going to open it because obviously it would I would have to put them on right now. So we can kind of assume how that works there. So it looks like this is a 30, oh, it starts warming in 30 seconds. That is crazy. So I cannot wait to use this on my spa day. I usually do my mask on Sundays after I do my whole wash hair routine. So we will be adding that to that routine this weekend. And then we have a black mask, looks like eyeliner. Yep, eyeliner from Eyeko. And this is, let me see if this is a full size. This is a travel size. This is $12. The full size is worth $22. I don't know about you guys. I don't put a lot of eyeliner, so mine tend to last me a long time. This is actually a liquid eyeliner and it's right there. So I like this. This is something that I can put in my purse. So this is super perfect. It's called I Do Liquid Eyeliner. All right, so we got that. And then last but not least, we have this here. This is Judith Leiber Discovery Set for Her. So this is a customer, you can customize your signature scent. Oh, okay, so this is actually a good gift to give someone for like the holidays. So I might have to put this to the side, but we are gonna open this up anyway so that you guys can see how this looks. But if you get this, you can definitely put this to the side as a gift without opening and doing any of the tragedies I'm about to do to the box here. So hold on. And if you've ever tried Judith Leiber, let me know. This is what it looks like inside. So it says this is actually worth $12, but if you got the full-size version, oh gosh, it's $145. So I'm assuming you would get a full-size version of the whole thing. Customize your signature scent with this Discovery More is More. I actually love to get items like this. Oh, and I see that they're crooked, so you can disregard that. They should not be crooked, but and I just ruined it. Okay, so it looks like one, it seems to be floral, more florally scents. So if you like florally scents, then this is one. And then you can, like they said, you can mix match, floral, zesty. So it says it's gonna be zesty, floral, and I think that's it. That's what it looks like here. Anyway, so this is actually a perfect combination. You can try to, so it says zesty, floral, and this is last one here, gourmand. So I'm probably gonna keep the gourmand one and then see which one my daughter wants. Maybe I can do it like a gourmand and zesty type of vibe, but it shows you at the very top what that looks like there. So yeah, that was everything in my Glossybox for this month. Like I said, I know it's a little late, but I still wanted to share that with you guys just in case. I love this box because, like I said in the beginning, I like to try new products. So this gives me a chance to try those products out so that when I see them in the store, I can actually grab the full-size version of it or just hop over to their website and just grab the full version of it. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.